What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, I have him back again, Carl from the moon. And today we are going to talk about Castor, okay, because it's going to be launched very, very soon. Everybody's excited of this project. And also we're going to talk about the NFTs that Carl has purchased here the last few weeks. Carl, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. It's a great day. Any day in crypto is a good day. Even if we're up or down, I don't really care so much. I think
Yeah,
we're in it for the long term. So just being in this space makes me happy every single morning, to be honest. So I'm doing very well.
exactly. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I don't mind if it goes up and down because the overall trend is to the upside. It is the
Yeah.
future. So it doesn't matter. Dips are for buying, isn't it? So yeah. All right, Carl. So, I mean, I have a lot of people on the Telegram, a lot of people in the comment sections, where can you buy Castor? When's Castor going to launch? And, asking me a lot of questions. And basically this video, I'm going to ask you these questions to you to find out, when is Castor going to be launched, basically, and where is it going to be launched?
Sure. The first question about when, it's not really public yet, but early Q1. But if you want to know exactly when, make sure to subscribe to the Casta YouTube channel, the Casta Twitter, and the Casta announcement channel. I would say the announcement channel is the most important thing because when we have big announcements, we will post it there. So that's the Telegram channel. Let's
Uh-huh.
just put those links down
Yeah,
below.
absolutely.
That will be easier because there are many scams out there. So
Yeah,
I hope people follow the
the
links
official.
only.
Yeah.
Don't search for it. And where we just announced that we're going to launch on Bybit,
Mm.
which is incredibly huge, of course, because Bybit has millions of users already.
Yes.
So they have big volume and a huge network of people and a big, like it's a big exchange, right?
Hmm.
So I'm very, very happy that we were able to get that deal. It's not easy to just launch on Bybit like that.
Yeah.
So that's very, very cool. And Bybit, they are going to do like a big campaign around this. I actually got an email this morning
Hmm.
from Bybit, like a big mass email saying that now they're doing this like Casta something. I don't remember exactly what they said, but some kind of bash where they're gonna like you can
All
get
right.
free tokens or something. So they
Okay.
should go and yeah, something like that. Exactly what marketing they're doing, I don't really know. That's not really
Yeah.
my alley.
Yeah.
But we're gonna launch there. So they are doing a big marketing campaign around it. Obviously, we're also doing that. So we're doing
Hmm.
marketing from both sides
Yeah.
to build awareness of Casta because we want to make sure that everyone uses Casta because it will change people's life on a
Yeah.
day-to-day basis because we're gonna get all transaction fees down to zero when you're sending crypto in small pieces. So,
Yeah.
for example, if you want to buy a cup of coffee, you cannot use the Bitcoin blockchain because the transaction fee
Yeah.
sometimes is higher than the actual cup of coffee in the first place,
Hmm.
which doesn't make any sense at all.
Yeah.
So, Casta, you have free and instant transactions on these small payments. But I always tell people like if you want to send $1 million or $1 billion or even I don't know $10 billion,
Yeah. It's a great
always
option.
use the Bitcoin blockchain because
Mm.
the Bitcoin blockchain is the most secure, most decentralized um, payment solution in the whole world. But when you want to send these small transactions,
Hmm.
let's say you and me go kart and
Yeah.
then I win, which would be the likely scenario. Um, and you have to pay me, let's say, $50 worth of prize money.
Yeah.
If you use Ethereum network, you will pay
Yeah.
maybe $20 worth of transaction fees.
Hmm.
It's not going to work. So when we go to go kart here in Dubai, maybe you and me, then we're going to have to use Casta to transact between each other. It's just how it is,
Yeah.
and that's what we're changing basically.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So the token is going to be launched Q1, early Q1 of 2022. That is the idea. And what about the mobile app? Because I guess you're talking to me about, going go-karting and paying, everyday stuff with the application. Is this going to be like a QR code, where you just send money basically with your phone, right? So
Yeah. So
basically,
when you and me send money between each other, I can just in the Casta app use my phone book and I click Andy,
mhm.
and using your phone number, I will send the Bitcoin, the crypto to your account. So it's all phone based. We can also do
Yeah,
email based. We're gonna make it just dead simple for grandmas to use.
yeah,
So think, Coinbase, they did that kind of for buying Bitcoin, right? Make it very, very, very simple. We're going to do that not only for buying Bitcoin, but also for the sending back and forth payments and merchants and all of that stuff. So we're taking it one step further than Coinbase in that sense. But that's what we really, really want to change for crypto.
Wow. Yeah, I mean,
Make it
it's
simple.
amazing because I know, I see a lot of tweets and talking about YouTube with Carl, the CEO, about comparing it with crypto.com a little bit, okay, and these other mobile applications with crypto. And I think that the main problem is the transaction fees and being easy friendly, basically. And this is what you want to achieve with the caster, right? Making it super simple that your grandma can use it and be really easy, and they can send, transactions really fast with close to zero fees or to zero fees, right?
Yeah, I mean, with Casta, the important thing is zero fees and instant. That's what we're doing. Anything else is not going to cut it for mass adoption, in our opinion. That's the most important thing for us. So zero fees between you and me. But when we integrate with merchants, they will pay. The merchant has to pay. So if you go
Yeah.
to IKEA buying a bed, you send $500 worth of Bitcoin, you pay zero, but IKEA will have to pay X amount.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what, but like something, just because, I mean,
Yeah.
we have to make money somehow, right? But
Yeah.
for
Exactly.
the actual user, always zero. Even if you and me send between each other 10,000 times between each other,
That's zero.
zero.
Nice.
Yeah. So then people ask us, of course, how do we make money? And we make money on exchanges, for example. So if you deposit Bitcoin into the app, and then you exchange Bitcoin to Ethereum or to US dollar or euros, on that exchange, we make a fee on that. And also we have yield. So if you deposit Bitcoin, you can make passive income
Right.
from yield strategies. And
Mm-hmm.
we also, of course, take a cut from that. So we make money from that. So we have several ways of making money. Um, and of course, we have to make money somehow.
Yeah.
And we hope, or we know now based on calculations, that we will make enough money from that we can always guarantee this zero fees for our users. And
Wow.
that's, I think, why people are getting so excited for Casta,
Yeah.
because right now sending money for free, it's just not something that you really can do, especially across borders.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Yeah, it's definitely not zero fees.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
I was going to ask you, one last question before we wrap up is the actual Caster token utility. What kind of utility is the Caster token going to have, inside of the application?
Well, I would like to just keep it very simple. It's very similar to Binance Coin, for example.
Mhm.
If you hold the Binance Coin, you're getting lower fees, you're getting different discounts, you're getting different benefits by staking and all of that stuff. We're doing a very similar model:
Mhm.
lower fees, higher yield, and higher affiliate deal, for example.
Mhm.
And we have like a long list of different um, utilities that we're doing for the token, and then we will roll out more and more utilities as we go. We have some very big plans for Casta that I cannot reveal yet, but we will reveal that in the next like maybe 6 months to 1 year. That will give even more utility to the token. So I would say the utilities
Mhm.
are going to be many, and we're going to
Yeah.
add on more and more, because we want to make sure that the token has
Yeah.
value long, not just
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
bull market, right?
Yeah, yeah. So basically staking, lending, and also I think there's going to be affiliate program, right? Where
Yeah.
people actually bringing people to use Cast application is going to benefit somehow of doing the affiliation, right?
100%. I
Yeah.
would say one important thing.
Yeah.
If you want to, I would sign up to the email list, casta.io. If you can leave
Okay.
the link down below, the
All right.
sooner you register in the waitlist, the sooner you will be able to access the app and all of the different cool features. Because we cannot allow everyone to jump on the app at the
Yeah.
same time, because we will have hundreds of thousands of
Yeah.
people, and it's just not possible. So just put your email as soon as possible in the waitlist, and
All
you're
right.
guaranteed to have your spot in the queue,
Yeah.
so to
Yeah.
speak.
I thought this list was already it stopped. It's still active, right? the list is still active.
Yeah, for sure. You can enter in whenever you want.
All right, perfect. Yeah, well, the official website is down below, so you can join the list, guys. Thank you, Carl, for coming into the channel and talking about Castor. I have one more question, which is the NFTs. Have you been purchasing any NFTs lately? Because we all know the CryptoPunk that you purchased, and I think you must have purchased some other ones in the last couple of weeks. So if you have done, please let me know here in this interview.
Yeah, so I did actually buy one very nice NFT that actually went a little bit viral. People were talking about it. I bought the Golden Bull. So many people saw this project launching, the Crypto Bull Society, which went very, very like fast up into the high tier on OpenSea. So basically, I think it was even top 7 when I checked last time. Very, very, very good marketing behind that project. So basically what I did is I bought the Golden Bull. There's only one Golden Bull out of the 10, or is it 8,000? I think 8,000 bulls.
Yeah.
Or 7,700.
Yeah.
And I bought the Golden Bull there. Maybe we can even put it on the screen here so people can see it. I think it's beautiful.
Absolutely.
But I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's nice?
Absolutely great. I know I have been doing my research behind this crypto bull. I have got one actually also. It's not golden. It's one of the average one. It does have some rarity on it, but I've been doing a little bit of research, and I think the marketing campaign they wanted to do behind this project is absolutely crazy. I know they were in Times Square just not long ago on the big screens there. And the kind of marketing they do have behind for the roadmap is pretty insane, which I do think that this NFT in particular, having Gal Yosef, one of the best 3D artists out there, also as the designer, will do very, very well. So I think this is just a kind of buy, hold, and for the mid-long term. So
yeah, I think so too. I mean, who knows what NFTs will be worth in the next 5 years or so, but as long as you buy rare NFTs that there's a lot of demand and community behind, I think you're going to be okay in the long term, I think. But who knows? Like when it comes to Bitcoin, it's very easy for me to predict, but NFTs,
it's hard.
At the end of the day, it's a little bit of a casino. I understand this, but and I'm taking on a big risk buying these NFTs. I mean, I paid $1 million for my CryptoPunk. I paid probably 200,000 for my Bored Ape, and for the Golden Bull, I'm pretty sure I paid like another 200K or 150K. So it is big risk, big money. But in my opinion, the potential reward
is great.
Could be crazy.
They are collectibles. They are collectibles at the end of the day. CryptoPunk was one of the first ones, if not the first one, NFT. Bull Society, we got, Gal Yosef being the designer, very well known, and I think marketing and everything. So if you get into these kind of good NFT projects, I think it should be all right, because people are insane for collectibles, especially if it comes from a good place.
Definitely.
So yeah, Carl, thank you very much for coming on the channel. I think, we must have gone over 10 minutes right now. So don't want to get the people too long on the screens. Thank you very much for joining the channel, and I hope we can do this every single week.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Andy. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. See you in the next one.